Okay, so I'm going to show you here how we can create an exploded assembly. So I'm going to open up here my file, and as you can see we have assembly SWA bathroom tap. I'm just going to click on that because that's the file I want to explode. So we're opening up, lovely. Now, what we can see here is that when we're in the assembly tab, we look over here, we have exploded view. So we've exploded view, okay? Now, what I want to do is I want to explode all of these things up the direction. The reason is because they're all based in a cylinder. In some assemblies you'll be going right, you'll be going left, you'll be going up, you'll be going down. This time we're just going to equidistant move them all away. So I'm going to start with this base. Now when this comes up straight away, I get an error. Do I want to go in the vertical direction or the horizontal Z, the horizontal X? I want to go vertically. So I'm going to click this here, and I'm actually just going to pull it down. I'm just going to pull it down until I get a little bit of a distance until I'm happy. And when I get that little distance, okay, I'm going to pull this down and say done. I'm not going to click yes yet because yes is for the full assembly. So next, I want to go the screw and the tap and the connector. Those three things, okay, so those three things now I want to pull up the way. Sorry, the screw as well. I accidentally clicked that twice. So if I undo that, okay, so we'll go again. So zoom in to get the screw. Lovely. Zoom out a bit. So I'm going to pull them up the way. I'm going to pull that to about there. The reason is I want this is the closest part here. I don't want to leave massive gaps, and I'm going to say done. Now I have a slight problem. There's a washer in here that I can't see. So if I turn on the section button, I can't turn it on right now, so we'll get that in a minute. So I'm just going to click on this fella, this, and oh sorry, don't want this one, sorry, apologies. So click him. And I want the little screw that's in here. So you notice they're coming up. Okay, lovely. So that's going to come up a bit more. That one I'm happy with. This one. Lovely. Now, so I have everything done there except the washer. So I'm actually just going to, because I want my washer done, so done. I'm going to click on this here, and it will give me, it would let me select the rubber washer. So when I select the rubber washer there, I'll be able to pull it up and just leave it right there and say done. And I'm going to say yes to that. Now, I'm going to click save as. Do not press save as. And I'm going to call this the assembly, the exploded, E-X-P-L-O-D-E-D, exploded assembly, and press save. And now when I X out of that and I open up my folder, okay, you'll see I have an e-drawing, an assembly, an exploded assembly. I have an autographic, I'm going to look at that in a minute, and then I have all my parts.